How to create a Dropbox automated workflow. First of all, you have to create a new folder within the Dropbox. So go ahead and launch the application on your device. Proceed to log into your account. Once you have logged in, all you have to do is now create a new folder by simply tapping on this plus icon on the bottom right corner. Now give your folder a name and you will find automate folder function if you are on desktop, because this feature is not yet available within the mobile devices. So once you enable this feature, you simply have to navigate to your folder, then click the setting gear icon next to the folder name and select organize and add automation. From there, select a native trigger from the menu, such as automatically converting files to PDF, unzipping uploaded archives, or auto-sorting files into subcategories. Configure the rule criteria and simply click Save. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.